Welcome, dear students, to my online commerce school to learn more about business studies. It is the first video lesson about the chapter Nature and Purpose of Business. Today, you are going to learn more about the different concepts in business studies from the chapter Nature and Purpose of Business. In this chapter, you are going to learn about what is the concept of business, what is the concept of industry, commerce, and how business is affected with risk. So let us go to each and every concept to more about the concepts in business study. The first topic begins with the different types of human activities. Human activities are of two types: economic activity and non-economic activity. You know very well, our human beings doing different activities. They are engaged in different process which are helpful for some financial gain as well as some psychological gain. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about that type of human activities which may be economic activity or non-economic activity. So economic activities which are helping the human being for earning some financial benefits. At the same time, non-economic activities also there. In this chapter, we are going to learn more about economic and non-economic activities. And as a basic chapter in nature and purpose of business, we are learning what is business, what are the different types of business, what is commerce, what is trade, what is industry, and what are the different types of industry, and how we will overcome the different risks in business. So in this video lesson, you are going to learn more about what is economic activity. As I told, economic activities are those activities which are helping to earn more financial benefit. Activities such as a teacher, suppose I am teaching you now, for getting some financial benefit. A doctor is treating his patient, a lawyer to his client. So all people's doing these activities for some financial benefit. That is why these type of activities are known as economic activities. From this picture also you will get the idea. This person is selling vegetables for getting some money as his income. So all the activities which are undertaken for financial benefit is known as economic activity. Keep in your mind, we are going to learn more in detail about economic activity only. So remember the value point. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken for financial benefit. So next activity is non-economic activity. You know very well, we are getting some feelings, some mental pressure when we are interacting with our friends, our relatives. When we are giving some shake hand to our friends, we are getting a smile in our face. So non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken for some psychological benefits, for some mental satisfaction. So all these examples from this picture also it is very clear. Mother is cooking food for family, no earnings, only for mental satisfaction. When we cook food for our friends, at that time also we are getting some satisfaction. That is why it comes under non-economic activity. So remember the point, non-economic activities are undertaken for some psychological satisfaction, some mental pleasure, feeling, etc. So, we are going to learn more about the different types of economic activities. The different types of economic activities are business, profession, and employment. Business, profession, and employment. So, business is an economic activity where goods are purchased or produced for sales. Profession whereon professional treats his client or patient for some financial benefit. In employment, employee work under employer for financial benefit. So these are the three types of economic activities: business, profession, and employment. So let us have a look on business. What is the concept of business? It is an important economic activity which is undertaken for financial gain. And in business, the business people sometimes they will produce, sometimes they will purchase for sale, sometimes they will exchange services for financial benefit. What is their financial benefit? Earning maximum profit is the financial benefit. Earning maximum profit. So, from the features of business, it is very clear. Business involves sale or exchange of goods and services. Sale or exchange of goods and services. It is an economic activity and it is a continuous process. It is a never ending process. It will continue. We are not starting a business to wind up today. So it is a continuous activity. And what is the main motto of business? Earning maximum profit. And also we have to remember every business involves risk. So these all are the important features or characteristics of business activities. Next one is related to the concept profession. You know very well. To say a person as professional, there must be some well-defined knowledge for that particular person. He must be registered in a professional body, like doctors are registering in IMA, Indian Medical Association. The advocates are registered in Bar Association, like that. So professionals, they are working for getting fees. Their main earning is fees. So profession is another economic activity. Just go through the picture also. They are getting some mental satisfaction, but their main aim is getting fees or earning some financial benefit. And in this employment, another type of business activity, some people are working under a person known as employer and doing all the activities given as an instruction from the part of employer. All the work assigned by the employer will be completed by employee. What is the purpose? To get maximum salary or wages. That is why employees are working under employer, another business activity. So it is very clear there is three type of business activities or economic activities, that are business, profession, and employment.